Welcome to our daily Forex market analysis, and this is for trading on March the 11th, 2021. Just a quick disclaimer here before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. As usual, we'll start off by taking a look at our calendar here. So in terms of our news, let's take a quick peek at what we have coming up. On Thursday, in terms of the news, today we saw that Bank of Canada kept the interest rates on hold. They didn't really change anything here. And coming up here on Thursday, we have ECB now, so monetary policy statement. So in terms of ECB, basically, again, we're looking to see if they will hold the current monetary policy or are they going to make any changes to it. If everything stays the same, we are looking to basically the euro will continue in the direction it's going. However, if they provide more liquidity, that will be negative for the euro. So we'll keep an eye on that. That is the main thing. We do have some unemployment numbers from the US as well, but ECB is the most important thing that we have to worry about. All right, so let's go on to our charts here. So starting off with euro dollar, euro, as we can see here, price closed through the high here. The problem or bias here is bullish. The concern or something to keep in mind would be that we are into resistance here, but still looking bullish here. Next target is 1.1960 back into this support resistance level. And then further up, we have 1.20. So bias is bullish. Just bear in mind, it's right into this resistance level, but looking bullish for the moment. So looking for a further move to the upside. Again, keep an eye out for ECB, which will have an impact on this pair tomorrow. So when the ECB statement comes out. So we'll keep that in mind. Pound here, pound also looking bullish. We see that price was able to get through the resistance level here. So I'm looking for a bit of pullback into 1.39. And if it holds above this support resistance level, looking for a continuation move higher into 1.40. So bias here is bullish. Now, if it does cross through, then it can go back down again. So this is why we need to see a hold above this 1.3900 level. So bias is bullish, just a little caution there. Aussie dollar here, this is also looking bullish. So in this case, the next target that we are looking at would be 0.7780. So bullish bias here for Aussie dollar. Now, actually, I forgot to mention one of the big things that did happen today was the stimulus bill getting finalized. President Biden has signed off on it, and now it is official. So there was a lot of positive sentiment in the market as a result of that. Now, bear in mind, sometimes what we see would be buy the rumor, sell the news. Once it passes, then we can see we see a big move, or leading up to it, we see move higher, and then it can reverse direction. So that is something to watch out for tomorrow. So if the stock market starts dropping, our crosses, the US dollar will turn around, and US dollar tends to get stronger when the stock market is dropping. So that's the only thing to bear in mind. Any kind of reversals in the stock market, we'll see a reversal in US dollar and dollar crosses here. But for now, this is looking bullish. 0.7780 is the first target, and 0.7820 is the second target. New Zealand dollar here, this is looking bullish as well. And in this case, the first target is 0.7220. And then we have 0.7270. So bullish bias here for New Zealand dollar. Dollar CAD here, this one's looking bearish. So looking for a move back towards the support level here. We see prices still in this range. So looking for a move back towards the bottom of the range. 1.2585 is the first target. Only if it goes through that, then we'll look at 1.2520. but right now it's still trading in the range. So first target is 1.2585. All right, let's take a look at our commodity. Starting off with silver, we have a nice bullish candle close here. Prices gone to the other side of 26 here. So now looking for a continuation higher. 26.85 is the target. So bullish bias here for silver. Gold here, this one is also looking bullish. As we can see, price did manage to close on the other side here of 1720. Now looking bullish here, 1740 is the first target. So bullish bias here for gold as well. Oil here. Oil did drop through the support, then bounced off. Now I will look for a retest of 65.80, and then if it holds below, we could see another drop. But for now, looking for a move higher towards 65.80. Copper here, copper is looking bullish. As we can see, price tested the low, but then held above. Now next target is 4.08. Bitcoin here, nice bullish move all the way into the high 57.40. And this is where we need to be cautious because this is where it struggled previously and we could get a double top. So watch out for that. Once it crosses over though, we could get that sharp momentum move into 60,000. So watch out this, the high here at 57,500. because a breach of that would give way to 60,000. But if it holds below though, then we're coming back again. S&P 500, this one is also looking bullish, nice bullish candle close here. Next target is 39.40 and then 39.60. With the stock market here, the only caution or the concern here would be the undoing of the move higher. If we see that the sentiment, the positive sentiment that we have seen with the stimulus bill getting passed, if that starts to wear off, we could see a decline. Nasdaq here, Nasdaq gave us a nice bearish candle close, went into the resistance, bounced off of this. So I'm looking for a pullback towards 12,850. If it holds, then we're looking for a continuation move to the downside. So right now, bias is neutral to bearish here for Nasdaq. Dow Jones here, very, very bullish move here. Broke through the resistance. It's into all-time highs. So looking for price to move higher. 32,500 is the first target. And then above that, we are looking at 32,750. So bias is bullish. But again, bear in mind that some of these moves, many times the moves can get undone. DAX here looking quite strong. Next target here is 14,600. So bias here is bullish for DAX. And of course, FTSE here. FTSE went all the way into the top of the this range it's been trading in. And as we can see here, price is bouncing off of this level. So in this case, actually it bounced off and then it's moving back towards it. So I'm looking for a retest of the high at 67.85, high of the range. If it fails to hold above, then we are looking for a move back down into the range. So this is the range it's been trading in. So bias right now is bullish. Target is 67.85. And last but not least, we have Nikkei. Nikkei looking neutral at the moment. It's still holding below the support resistance level. So in this case, as long as it holds below 29,300, we're looking for a move down towards 28,300. So bias right now is neutral. It's going sideways. So neutral bias for FTSE. My God. For Nikkei, my apologies. So that's it for today. You guys have a wonderful trading day, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.